Barbie's videos. So today we're gonna do another science experiment of learning. Yep, and this science experiment's name is Light, Sound and Force. I read this from my book also. So, you know the drill. Click that subscribe button, hit the bell icon and like. Smash it, just smash it. So today, oh yeah, I already told you that. So embarrassing. Okay, what should we start with? Light, sound and force. Means we should start with light. Now let me take you guys to the balcony to explain our first light lesson. Look, there's so much light here, right? So much light. Just look, we can see everything. We can see everything if we have light. And now, guys, let me tell you an experiment for light. And in today's video, we're also gonna have a quiz. For every topic, one question. Yep, and then we'll end the video. But right now, I'm explaining you, so let's do this. I look good. Now I can't go outside, but I can show you this. Look. What is this? What can you see? What can you see? I'll give you 2 seconds to understand. 1, 2. That's right, everyone. You can see a red light. And now I'm gonna tell you. You might have seen in a traffic jam, red light, yellow light, green light. So they blink to make us understand that if we need to stop, move slowly, prepare to stop, or go. Just go. So light can also help us in many things. Light helping us see, understanding things. I don't know any other example, but I might remember. Maybe in the next video I would tell you guys. And now let's move on to sound. Let me first give you an example of sound. Look, I got this towel in my hand, and now look what I just do. What can you hear? Oh, sorry. What can you hear? A bumping sound, right? Like boo, boo. That's what you heard, right? That is sound. We can create sound by talking, hitting, or other things. Sound, we can hear sound. We cannot see sound, but we can hear sound. Let me give you another example. Here, I have a glass in my hand. Now I'll do. Look, I made another sound like tick, 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 tick. Right? So that is sound. Right now, what did we create the sound with? You're right, it was a glass. We created a sound by a glass. And what was the first thing we created a sound by? You're right. It was a towel. here. Here now go. Tell me two tell me two examples of sound. How to make sound, 2 examples in the comments. Like bees buzz, birds chirp. Tell me any sound, how to create sound in the comments. 2 examples, at least 2. You can do more than 2 but not less than 2, or you can do 2. Alright? Perfect! Now let's move on to force. Look, here's a chair. This is a chair. I'm pushing it. That is using force. What else am I using to create force? Whoever said sound is maybe whoever thought about sound is maybe right or wrong, but I actually meant energy. I used energy to create force. And now look, this is my bed. I will just push it. Oh gosh, I'm tired. That's enough. So now that explains if you can know force cannot be created if you can't do force. So force is basically push or pull. So guys, now it's time for the pop quiz. I have explained you whatever I could explain. Okay, now let me ask you the pop quiz. What should I ask first? So guys, this is actually pop quiz to know as much you know, not what I told, as much you know. What do we use sound for? 3 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3. Okay, time's up. The answer is there are many examples to use sound. We use sound to communicate, like me and you are communicating with each other, and we're using sound for that. And sound is used for recognizing what is happening. Like right now, when I did the bump with the towel, the sound was just made by bumping the towel. Then you guys suddenly noticed what happened, like I bumped some kapda. You guys noticed that I bumped kapda. Okay, now for the next question. Tell me an object which gives us light. 3 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3. Guys, time's up. The answer are many examples, like this bulb can give us light, flashlights can give us light, the sun can give us light. There are many other examples. Even a watch can give us light. I mean, there are some watches which have flashlights, like Snow White flashlight. Tell me in the comments if you have that too or not. Okay guys, now time for the last question. Sorry guys. Time for the last question. About force. What do we need to create force? 3 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3. Time's up. We need energy to create force. Like I move this chair easily because I have energy for this, but I can't move this bed easily because I don't have that much energy to move it. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. So listen to the things I said, click that like button, click the bell icon and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so bye.